Hello and welcome to my first ever YouTube presentation on artificial intelligence. This video is meant to introduce to you this area of computer science. It will help you understand what artificial intelligence is all about before we can take on the technical aspects in AI. It is my hope that you will find the video useful. Since the invention of computers or machines, their capability to perform various tasks went on growing exponentially. Humans have developed the power of computing systems in terms of their diverse working domains, their increasing speed, and reducing size with respect to time. A branch of computer science named artificial intelligence pursues creating the computers or machines as intelligent as human beings. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer-controlled robot or a software think intelligently in a similar manner the intelligent humans think. AI is accomplished by studying how human brains work and how humans learn, decide, and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as a basis of developing intelligent software and systems. AI has many broad applications. For instance, it is used to reduce or avoid repetitive tasks. This is made possible by the fact that AI never rests and can repeat a task continuously without fatigue. Human beings cannot achieve this without exhaustion. Before the age of machine learning, core products were building upon hard-coded rules. Introduction of artificial intelligence led to enhancement of product functionality as opposed to development of new products from scratch. You can think of Facebook image tagging. A few years ago, you had to tag your friends manually, but nowadays, with the help of AI, Facebook gives you a friend's recommendation automatically. AI provides a cutting-edge technology to deal with complex data that humans cannot handle efficiently. Additionally, AI automates redundant jobs, allowing a worker to focus on the high-level, value-adding tasks. When AI is implemented at scale, it leads to cost reduction and massive revenue increase. AI is used in all industries, from marketing to supply chain, finance to food processing sector, amongst many others. Last but not least, artificial intelligence can be divided into two subfields. The first one is machine learning, while the second one is deep learning. In the next video, we are going to focus on machine learning in detail. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful to you. I look forward to presenting the next video to you. Until then, enjoy artificial intelligence. Thank you.